Hi, it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and today we've got this 2017 Yamaha R1M. It's got an acroprovic decap pipe and an exhaust. It's in for a full ECU remap. It was running quite rough before. We're just going to do the final run now and we'll see what we've achieved.
Nice to see some flames there. I think it has for extra flames, isn't it?
Yeah, so we started off with 177. Now we've got 188.79, so just short of 189. Gain of 11 horsepower. That is all at the rear wheel. Gains all the way through. Mid-range, bottom end, top end, so much better. Fueling wise, absolutely spot on. Mapped the electronic throttle valve to stop all that snatchiness, and turn a few other things off that are not necessarily needed now on this bike. So should be all around 10 times better bike. So yeah, you want yours, please give us a call.